Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, if the filter in air line is used for a long time, the color can be changed by a lot of moisture or water inflow. In this case, you need to replace the filter. In this video, we will explain how to replace the filter. There are two types of filters in fiber machine. Replace the second filter if the color changes. To replace, turn off the main air first and check air gauge is 0 and start replacement. Pull down the locking lever on top of housing. Turn it about 45 degrees to lower it, then the housing will be separated. The filter can be separated by turning the plastic nut at the bottom. When replacing, insert a new filter and assemble in the reverse order. And be careful as it may be damaged if you tighten too strong. And insert housing upward and rotate to secure. Second filter also separates housing as shown in video, as same as first one. And hold the bottom, then unscrew to separate. After replacing new one, insert housing upward and rotate to secure. Now can you do it by yourself? If you need any more videos or questions while using our machine, please leave the comments below. I'll review and apply it to the video if possible. Thank you.